Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I hope I'm live. I hope you can see me, you can hear me. It is all clear and well. If that is the case, a very, very warm welcome and an even beautiful good morning to all of you. I know you've been waiting for a good enough period of time, waiting to know more about marketfeed's trade automation service and to get into trade automation service, right? I'm sure you're excited about what marketfeed is offering. You want to know more about our offering and you want to start automate really good trades in your account so that you can also perform really, really well, right? So yeah, let me quickly look into who all have joined the session. So I see Sudagar R posting the first comment here. So hi, good morning Sudagar R. Joy Joseph, Safar Travel Vlogs, Abdullah, Riaz Rashid, Mahin Yusuf, FK, Subin S. Fernandez, Agil Mohan, Anish TV, Vipin, Srinath, Faisal Ali, J. Krishnan R, JP Nair, Arcade. So good morning everybody. Again, a very warm welcome. I see more and more people are joining the session. So good morning everybody. Yes, Roshan Thomas, Neeraj Kashyap, Arvind PS, Nationalist, Joel Biju, Romel Sandosh. So good morning, good morning. So really excited to see more and more people joining the session. Even I'm super thrilled to explain more about what we are currently doing at MarketFeed and to give the same service to every one of you if possible, right? So yeah, let me set some expectations right. This is going to be a quick 30-minute session. Yes, that is all this is going to be. This is going to be a very quick 30-minute session where I'm going to explain what MarketFeed can do for you, what MarketFeed as a platform is, what all are our current offerings, and how we can help you. And towards the end of the session, I'll also be taking some questions. I'll also be going through some frequently asked questions. I'll also take some questions from you so that we can all be on the very same page. Plus, one other thing, what you can do is during the course of the session, you can use the comment section, right? My team is there. Whatever doubt you have regarding whatever I'm telling or whatever other doubt you have in your mind, please feel free to ask the question in the comment section. My team is there to help you. They will be replying your questions as and when you ask them, right? So that is it. So let us quickly get into the session. Just a quick reminder again, this is going to be a very quick 30-minute session explaining what we can do for you. So yeah, hi everyone. A very formal welcome to MarketFeed's exclusive trade automation webinar, right? So yeah, this is what we are offering as our product. We help you invest in high risk, high return trading portfolios. Okay, this is what we will do, right? Invest in high risk, high return trading portfolios. So I'm sure you all want to invest or you're all investing, but with MarketFeed, you get really high risk, but when you take high risk, there is a high possibility that you can get high return as well, right? So that is the offering. Let's quickly understand more about what the offering is, right? So what is MarketFeed? What is this invest in high risk, high return portfolio? So number one, simply put, it is simple, smart option trading portfolios designed by experts. Where are you investing? You're investing in simple and smart options trading portfolios designed by experts. These option trading portfolios are the high risk, high reward trading portfolios that we are talking about. Now you invest into these option trading portfolios designed by experts, and these option trades are fully automated and managed in your own broker's account. Okay, so we give you simple, smart option trading portfolios designed by experts, and these trades, whenever there is a trade, these are automatically placed, automatically managed in your own broker's account. This is what we can give you. And in the last 1 year, when we look into multiple of our users who have been trading the strategies that we are talking about, the option trading portfolios that I'm talking about, when we look into people who have been trading for the last 1 year plus, most of them have generated more than 24% plus returns. Okay, so it is very mandatory to add here that past returns are never guaranteeing future performance, right? Future could be even better than this, future could be worse than this as well. So, but this is what has happened in the last 1 year, 24% plus returns for people who have been trading for more than 1 year, right? So what is MarketFeed is very clear. MarketFeed has simple, smart option trading portfolios designed by experts. Then you can automate these trading strategies in your own broker's account where you have complete control. right? Awesome. So that is what market feed is. I hope it is really, really clear. Now the next question is, okay, now you understand what market feed is. The next question is, why should you invest in this? Now this is super important, right? Really important to understand why you should consider market feed in your investment portfolio. Let's talk about what are the different asset classes available in today's world. Number one is the very famous fixed deposits, right? The FDs that the banks offer. These FDs offer a 7% returns per annum. And the inflation in today's world is around 6%, right? So FDs are not really helping your portfolio in terms of returns, but FDs do help your portfolio in terms of security. So in that sense, FDs are good, not great returns. Then let's talk about mutual funds and even stock investments for that matter, right? So mutual funds may give you 14% returns per annum, and that too only if the markets did well. In the long term, if you actually account for markets doing well and doing bad, maybe over a long period of time you can make 14% per annum, comes with slight amount of risk. So medium returns, medium risk. And on top of that is where market feed will come in. Market feeds options trading portfolios will come above all this. Obviously, it comes with higher risk, but it comes with potentially higher returns than all the conventional asset classes, right? I hope it is very clear. What I am saying is not, what I am asking is not for all of you to put your entire money into market feed or your entire money into options trading. That will be super risky. That is where you have to read what is written here. Trading is not your primary investment. It is a tool to diversify your portfolio for potentially higher returns with higher risk, right? Options trading, and that is market feed, comes with higher risk and higher returns. So your portfolio should be made in such a good way that yes, if you want to invest into fixed deposit, you invest into mutual funds as well, and then you invest into market feed also for potentially higher returns, which obviously comes with potentially higher risks as well. So it is a diversification tool, and that is the absolute clarity I want to set in the next slide here, right? The title itself is options trading for diversification, because it obviously comes with market risks, right? Whenever you read mutual fund terms and conditions, you hear, right? Mutual funds comes with market risks, so it is subject to market conditions, so you have to invest carefully. Options trading is also very similar. It is subject to market risk, so you have to invest carefully, right? It will never be a smooth journey. There will be instances where maybe there is a 3% loss, there is a 5% loss, there is a 6% loss. It could happen. So it will not be a smooth returns journey like you normally see in a FD or a bond, right? There will be volatility in terms of your returns. There will be days and weeks where you see losses. There will be days and weeks where you will be seeing profits. It will never be always profits. Okay, I'm setting expectations right. Now let me also tell you this. When it comes to options trading, you would not lose 100% of your capital. You need not have that worry. But in case of a black swan event, that is if there is a war outbreak and the market is crashing like crazy, or market opened with a huge gap down, when there's a black swan event, there is a chance that the portfolio could even lose 25%. Right. So my point is options trading is risky. So it is a risky but a potentially higher return investment avenue, and that is how you should see it, right? Options trading for diversification. So if you have money with you, ideally you should not be putting all of your money into options trading. You should see it as a diversification tool, right? That is the intelligent way of doing it. And when you do it like that, your entire portfolio can grow at maybe a 20%, or if you design it well with some FDs, with some mutual funds, with some stocks, with some gold, with some options trading. That is how you carefully design an intelligent portfolio, right? So I would say, as a thumb rule, if your total portfolio is worth 10 lakh rupees, if your capital is worth 10 lakh rupees, maybe you can allocate 50% to trading. Right. So that could be a good thumb rule. It all depends on what your risk profile is, how you look at your life, and how you want to design your rich life, right? So that is what it is. So I made things really clear. Options trading is for diversification, where it comes with, yes, potentially higher returns, but yes, it comes with higher risk as well. But if you speak about risk, I mean, even if market crashes, if there is a black swan event, even mutual funds would go down, right? So that is also a clarity we all need to have. Amazing. So moving ahead, now that you understand what market feed is, right? Market feed give you simple, smart options trading portfolios completely automated and managed in your account. That is what we give you. Let us quickly talk about how does this work, right? Let's understand. Number one is curated options trading strategies developed by experts. As you can see, I want you to read along with me one by one. What is the first step? The first step is curated options trading strategies developed by experts. And these strategies are developed and posted by SEBI registered research analysts, right? So it is all proper here. Point number two, you get a powerful tool to fully automate these trades in your own broker's account. Point number three, it is not just automation of trades. You also get a strong team from MarketFeed to monitor and manage the automation. This is really beautiful and powerful. You need to understand this. You need not log into your account daily. You need not look into your account daily. You need not look to see if an order has been placed well or not, an order has been rejected or not. Our team and our technology will monitor and manage the trade automation for you. You just have to invest your money into your broker, tell us that you are starting, and you can forget. You need not monitor the performance, monitor the efficiency, monitor trade execution on a daily basis. Things would happen on its own. It's a complete passive investment mode that we are giving to you here, right? So beautiful trading strategies, a powerful tool to automate these trades. Not just automation, it is complete management and monitoring so that you need not worry at all. And finally, as I said earlier, all the trades run in your own broker's trading account. Right? Amazing, amazing. So this is how it works. Pretty simple, not at all complicated. Strategies automated in your account, managed by our managed as in making sure nothing is wrong in the account by the technology and by the team. Nothing to worry in terms of execution, in terms of automation. Right? Amazing. Now let's talk about the strategies that we offer, right? Or the options trading portfolios that we've been talking about. Because at the core of your investment are these options trading portfolios. Because if these options trading portfolios or the strategies, if these perform well, is when you would be making money. Correct. So at MarketFeed, we have Nifty option selling models and Bank Nifty option selling models. So totally we have 6 trading strategies. Okay, we have 6 trading strategies, and I'm just looking at the comment section. I really love the fact that a lot of you are asking questions, and I see that my team is answering you as well. This is awesome. This is beautiful, guys. Keep on asking questions. We'll try to answer most of them. We want to educate you. We want to make you understand what this is, and we want to take you in as a really informed user. That is super important when it comes to trading, right? Awesome. So let's talk about the strategies, the trading strategies, the trading portfolio that we are offering here. So we have 6 strategies together. 3 are in Nifty option selling. 3 are in Bank Nifty option selling, as you can rightly see on the screen. So in Nifty option selling, the 3 strategies that we currently have are Smart Money Flash, and Smart Money Swift. Yeah, I know, fancy names, but these are the names of the strategies, right? Bank Nifty option selling, we have 3 strategies: Piggy Bank Flash, and Piggy Bank Swift. Right. So these are 3 different strategies in Nifty which takes positions in different strike prices at different times, trying to give you a different experience in itself when it comes to individual strategies. And the same goes with the Bank Nifty option selling strategies as well. So these are the 6 strategies which are currently available on MarketFeed right now, and we as a team, we are constantly working in order to bring more and more amazing strategies to you. So as you join us and as you keep trading with us, as time passes, you can see more and more strategies being available for you to be added into your portfolio, right? Amazing. These are the trading strategies. Now your next question would be, hey Sharik, we understand that MarketFeed offers trading strategies. These can be completely automated and completely monitored in your own demat account. These are the strategies name. What is the capital to start? Correct. Right? That's the question, right? That's the question you'll have. What is the capital to start doing this? Amazing. So now I see a good question here which has to be addressed, right? I mean, I'm quickly glancing through the comment section and I'm looking at a 24% return question, right? Now, as I said, in the past, if the strategies have delivered 24%, does not mean that, does never guarantee that in the future it could be over 24%, could be exactly 24%, or it could be below 24%. It is never guaranteed, right? But options trading, the strategies, the intent is to make potentially higher returns than all other avenues available. That is the intent, but yes, it comes with its own risk, right? But we've been doing this for a very long time, and for this long period of time where we have been doing this, we have seen that it has outperformed a lot of other asset classes. That is what we've seen, right? Why I'm saying this is because it's really important to set expectations. See, if you feel that options trading is a way where you can guaranteed get 20%, 30%, 40% returns, that would be you living in a misunderstood condition. That shouldn't happen. If you have wrong expectations set, and tomorrow if things are not going by that, then you yourself will be in a bad position, right? You would be asking the wrong questions, you would not be feeling good, which should not happen. We believe this has to be very honest, very transparent, and that is how things should be. And that is where I'm repeating the fact that the future is never guaranteed. We'll only have to see what could happen in the future. There would be absolute effort from the side of strategies, from the side of trading, to make sure the experience is good. But yeah, it could only be tried, right? Amazing. Right, so let's talk about the capital required. I'm sure you would have gone through this when I was talking other stuff. You would have already glanced through this. So the capital to start trading in an automated manner in the strategies that we discussed with marketfeed, the minimum capital is 2,40,000 rupees as of today, right? 2,40,000 rupees. So with a minimum capital of 2,40,000 rupees, you get to trade two strategies: a Nifty strategy and a Bank Nifty strategy. Smart money and piggy bank. So why do you do this? Why do you trade minimum of two strategies? It is to get diversification, right? When you trade two different strategies into different instruments which are non-correlated, it could probably give you a better experience. The losses could probably be lesser. Your experience could probably be better, right? That is why you trade a minimum of two strategies with a minimum of 2,40,000 rupees. That is the amount you need to have to start automating your trades with marketfeed. You get two strategies: smart money and piggy bank. The next, after that, you can increase your capital in steps of 2,40,000 rupees. So the minimum is 2,40,000 rupees. Then you can add capital in steps of 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 rupees, 4,80,000 rupees, 7,20,000 rupees, 9,60,000 rupees. So you can only add capital in steps of 2,40,000 rupees. So once you add another 2,40,000 rupees, your capital becomes 4,80,000 rupees, where you get to trade four strategies out of the six strategies that we have. If your capital is 7,20,000 rupees, you get to trade all the six strategies that we have. So as you can read at the bottom, right, the annual P&L is expected to be similar for all these bundles. Higher capital users can get smoother P&L curve due to diversification. So if your capital is high, right, so if your capital is high, that is 7,20,000 rupees or even above that, you get to trade all the strategies. So trading all the strategies means that you get more diversification in terms of indices, in terms of strike prices, in terms of risk and returns. Everywhere you get diversification. So if possible, I would ask you to put in 7,20,000 so that you get to trade all strategy. But the minimum capital to start trading with marketfeed is 2,40,000 rupees. I hope this is crystal clear, because there is no question of, hey, can we start with 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees or 10,000 rupees, because it cannot be done. Options trading, the way we do it, does start at 2,40,000 rupees today. That is the minimum capital, right? Amazing. Now the next question would be, now you understand what the strategies are, how it works, all about automation and monitoring, the minimum capital to start. The next question would be, hey, what are your charges? Like, how much are you being charged for this, right? The simple answer to this is, you trade in your broker, right? And you trade in IIFL Securities broker. That is the broker that we have tied up with. Now this has to be super clear. For this service to work, for this product and automation and monitoring to work, you need to have a IIFL Securities account. Now, IIFL Securities is one of the best or the largest brokers in India. It is a listed company. It is one of the oldest brokers in India. And we've been working with them for the last 1 year plus, and it's been a great experience with them, right? Now, why we ask you to open an account with IIFL Securities is because, number one, it gives you the least possible brokerage in the industry. Now, a lot of the discount brokers today say that they are at 20 per order. But for people with lesser capital, we via IIFL Securities is offering rupees 2 per lot. This is the least in the industry. I'm sure you would not find a brokerage structure like this anywhere else. Now, we could crack a deal like this only with IIFL Securities as of today. We could not with other brokers. Also, since we could crack this deal with IIFL Securities, we also build our technology stack around IIFL Securities. Because the trades have to be automated, the trades have to be monitored, the trades have to be corrected if something is wrong. All of those technologies also strongly built with IIFL today. Now, tomorrow, if we can or when we would strike such amazing deals with other brokers as well, we would be integrating other brokers as well. But that is about the future. Right? Going ahead, we intend to grow, we intend to scale, we intend to reach more and more people. At that point of time, we will have more brokers. But today, it is only IIFL Securities, so that you get the least brokerage possible and you get an amazing performance as well, right? In terms of tech. So when you are planning to open an IIFL Securities account, please make sure that you open the account using the link given in the chat and also the link being posted in the WhatsApp group. Only if you open your IIFL Securities via that link, all this technology integration can be possible, right? Because IIFL is being integrated with marketfeed using its APIs, and all of those would work only if you open the IIFL Securities account using the link which is being posted here in the chat and also in the WhatsApp group. Super critical, super important. Cool. So now let's talk about charges, right? So all you have to do is open an IIFL Securities account, talk to my team, and start automating the trades. So when the trades are automated, right? When each trade happens, you end up paying a brokerage amount to IIFL. Oh, that is all that you're paying, right? That is the charges that you would incur. So when you start, depending on your capital, your brokerage would either be rupees 2 per lot or 20 per order. Let me give you clarity here. For people having capital below 28 lakhs, a brokerage of 2 per lot would make sense. That would be lesser charges for you. That will be lesser cost for you. So we are doing that for you. If your capital is above 28 lakh rupees, then your brokerage would be rupees 20 per order, because that is what would make sense for you, right? The brokerage is also set in a way that it would be least for you. But once you are profitable, once you tend to perform really well, the brokerage could increase up till rupees 6 per lot, right? So as you can read on the screen, to optimize for your profitability, the dynamic brokerage can vary from rupees 2 to rupees 6 per lot. That are the charges which you will be incurring, right? Amazing. Awesome. So yeah, so that is it. So now you understand that we have amazing strategies. These strategies could be automated in your IIFL Securities account. 2.4 lakh rupees is the minimum capital required to start automating trades in your account. Now again, to kind of end things, the question would be, hey, why trust us, right? Why trust marketfeed? So yes, because we have systematic trading strategies developed by SEBI registered research analysts, right? And all these strategies are also verified by our in-house quant research team to make sure that these strategies are good. These will perform. These are good to make sure. See, what we are doing is we are curating and making sure whatever we put out is basically good. We are doing that from our end. And as of today, if you see point number 2, 150 crore rupees plus is being traded on our strategies. We've been here for more than last 1 year plus. More than nearly 2,000 people are trading with over 150 crore rupees of capital, which all means that things are working. That is why people are sticking, right? We have more than 2 lakh plus of app users, and we have a 4.3 rating on App Store and Play Store, which all talks about things going well, right? Amazing, right? So yeah, that's it. So now the only question remaining is how to start. I know you're excited. You're as excited as me. You understand what market feed is, what the strategies are, the strategies being the returns and the risks regarding the strategies being automated in your account. And automated also means that it's completely monitored and managed. You need not worry at all. 2.4 lakh rupees is the minimum capital to start. So what is the next step? The next step is clicking on this link, or you can also scan the QR code on the screen, right? Or we'll also post the link in the chat section here. We'll also post the link in your WhatsApp group. So once you click the link or once you scan the QR code, you will get a form. Now that form is critical. That form is your interest showing form. If you fill the form, my team and I will understand that you're agreeing to all this. You understand what this is. You have a minimum of 2.4 lakh rupees and you want to start automated trading in your account. If you fill the form, we will understand that and my team will call you. Very soon, in the coming week itself, my team will call you. They will help you start your IIFL Securities account. They will help you setting the strategies in your account, and they will help you start automated trading in your account. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So if you understood everything, if you're excited, if you're ready to start, all you have to do is fill this form. The link to the form here, it's pinned in the a YouTube chat. The link to the form will be posted in your WhatsApp group. You can scan the QR code for getting the form as well. Fill the form. There are some basic questions which will be asked there. That is for us to understand what kind of a user you are. So once you fill the form, we understand that you have the capital, you understand what we are, and you're interested in this, then yeah, my team will call you. So once you fill the form, you give your phone number where we can reach you, the WhatsApp number where we can reach you, so that we will contact you, we will get on a call, we will explain to you even more better, even in a larger manner as to what we are, how things would happen, to set expectations right so that you can start trading. Right? Amazing. So that is what it is. So certain points to note, again, just points to note before you move ahead, right? Number one is what I said earlier. Open IIFL Securities account with the account opening link posted here. If you go to IIFL Securities website and open an account, it is going to be a mess. It's going to be difficult to link to market feed. So make sure you open IIFL Securities account only using the link given here in the chat section, given in the PDF, also posted in your WhatsApp group. Please make sure you do that, right? Point number two, make sure your futures and options activation is done correctly. Now that is a place a lot of people go wrong. People either skip futures and options activation or they make some mistakes there. So if you reach a futures and options activation while you're opening your IIFL Securities account, if you have any doubt, just wait. At any point of time, if you have any issue in opening your IIFL Securities account, if you have any doubts, any concerns, any issues, just stop it there. When my team gets in touch with you, they will help you. My team has a special dashboard with which they can help you to open the account. They will get in touch with you. In fact, they will help you or they will open the account for you. You need not worry there. This is a completely managed service. It is a premium service. In fact, once you start trading, you will also be getting a dedicated relationship manager. You can reach out to the relationship manager at any point of time to clear your doubts, to understand what's happening, to know more about trading. We will be there to guide and support you, right? And once everything is done, once your IIFL Securities account is set up, our team will contact you for API access as well, right? Amazing. Now, before ending, let me quickly, I'll only take maybe 3-5 minutes. I know it's already 11:30, but let me take quick 5 minutes to go through some FAQs. So number one, is it recommended to seek loans or borrow funds for trading? What do you think? You tell me. I want to hear from you. Is it recommended to seek loans or borrow money from others for trading? Is it good or bad? Yeah? Looking into the comment section to see. No, right? Aditya Peter, Vicky TR, Manu Shankar. Amazing. So this is the kind of an informed, intelligent users that we are looking at, right? So it's really bad. I mean, because as I said earlier, it has to be a beautifully, intelligently designed portfolio that you have. It is not recommended to seek loans or borrow funds for trading. Amazing. Amazing. Good to see the response here. Question number 2. What can we anticipate in terms of weekly and monthly returns, including the average returns? Right? I'll just move away from the screen. I just want to hear from you. What is the expected returns going ahead? Should we expect returns, or what is the expected returns? Right? So the real answer there is maybe because options trading, when it would do well, is expected to beat other asset classes, but there is no guarantee. Right? So that we will have to understand. There could be risk as well. Right. Now Aditya Peter is saying 4% per month. Vicky DR is saying 1% per week. But that is good to be expected. But is it guaranteed? No. So all stock market related investments, let it be stock investment, mutual fund investment, options trading, maybe you would expect, you would have some number in your mind in terms of return expectations, but it is not guaranteed. Is something we also have to live with. Correct? Amazing. Amazing. The next question is, when is the right time to evaluate my portfolio's performance? Really critical. People get into trading a strategy. They trade it for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, and then they're like, oh, this is not good, and they jump to a new strategy. Then they trade a new strategy for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, and they don't like it and move to a new strategy. So what is the right time to evaluate the portfolio's performance? Right? So the answer is, in an ideal scenario, performance, Jijesh Janardhanan is saying annually. So maybe you have to give a strategy maybe 1 year of time, or at least 6 months of time, or bare minimum a quarter I wouldn't live with. Bare minimum 6 months you have to see, or well given you should look at 1 year. Because given it's a trading strategy, it could have its bad times, it could have its good times. So maybe 1 month is bad, and you shouldn't judge a strategy just with that 1 month. You should give it 6 months so that it has a chance to have some good months also. Right? So that is how you evaluate a trading strategy. Yeah, I see a lot of great answers in the comment section. Right. The next question is, why should I choose IIFL Securities as my broker? This, as I said earlier, the answer is IIFL is a sole platform that provides the flexibility to select the minimum brokerage range. It gives us the flexibility to change your brokerage with time. Flexibility to keep your brokerage at the absolute minimum of 2 rupees per lot, right? And because of that, we build our technology around IIFL Securities, right? Now, the next question, very important, very, very important. Does marketfeed have access to users' money? Do you think we have access to your money, your capital? Very critical. We have to understand this. Does marketfeed have access to your capital? Absolutely no. Belbin Benny said that. Absolutely no. Because your money is with your broker, and your broker is a SEBI registered entity, right? And in fact, your capital can also be invested into mutual funds. It can also be pledged, and it could be traded. So we don't have access to your money. We cannot take your money. We cannot take your money and put it elsewhere. We cannot take your money and run away. So your money is safe with your broker. You can add money anytime in your broker. You can withdraw money anytime with your broker. We have nothing to do with your money at your broker's end. Yeah. The next question is, I have funds accessible for the upcoming 3 months. Is it possible to use them for trading? Now that you have given an amazing answer for the earlier question, I don't think this has to be answered, right? Because if it's for a 3 months period where you have money, you should probably not trade, right? I mean, you should not invest as well for that matter. I mean, you have to give time for the markets to reward you. And for that to happen, 3 months is not a great horizon to invest, right? Amazing. What makes consistency in trading significant? Now, this is the last question, last point to note, because this is the single most reason we see people come and they join automated trading, and in 1 month, 2 months time, 3 months time, maybe they are not really happy with how things are going, or they have some other emergency, so they want to take the money out for that emergency. No, that is not how trading is supposed to be done. That is not how investing is supposed to be done. So if you can, whatever money you put in, it has to be consistently there for 6 months or 1 year. Only then the consistency can reward you. Once you're staying invested for 6 months or 1 year, if there is a reward at the end, that could the probability of getting the reward is higher when you're consistently staying invested. If you are putting in money, which might be needed after 2 months, after 3 months, or during any emergency, not really worth investing, right? So what I'm doing is I'm setting expectations really right? Because this is an area where a lot of mis-selling has happened, could happen. I don't want to do that. I want to be really transparent and honest with what the offering is and the nature of the offering. And I want you to have an amazing, great experience once you're in. Right? And that is the honest effort that me and the entire team at MarketFeed is doing. Right? Awesome. So this is our mission. The mission is to take trading to everybody if possible, right? Trading for all is what we live by, the entire team at MarketFeed. So we are trying to take trading to maximum people possible, and this is our humble effort in doing so. So I hope this is super clear. Simply put, at MarketFeed, you can get amazing options trading portfolios. You can automate the trading in your own broker's account. The minimum capital required is 2.4 lakh rupees. If you're interested, fill the form. The fill the form which is being posted here, it is in your WhatsApp group as well. Just fill the form. My team will get in touch with you. They will help you set up everything. As easy as that. If you don't want to open an IFL securities account now, you can wait. My team will get in touch with you. They will definitely help you. Now, if you have your friends or your family members who might be interested in this, you can even share it with them. You can explain it to them. You can also bring them along with you so that it will be a shared experience, right? It will be fun doing it together, right? Awesome. I see a lot of questions here, and I see a lot of the questions have already been answered by the team. So thank you everyone for asking. Thank you my team for replying a lot of questions there as well. And thank you everyone for taking time out on a beautiful Saturday morning, attending the program, understanding more about us, and I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of you on the other side of the journey where you've invested into MarketFeed's trading portfolios and you are also trading alongside us, right? So looking forward to seeing you all there. And again, thank you very much. Thank you very much for taking time out and attending. Looking forward to see you automating trades in your account. And again, fill the form. My team will get in touch with you. Any further questions you have, any further doubts you have, you can ask with them, get it more clarified, and you can start trading. Right? So thank you very much. You've been an absolutely amazing audience. I mean, I love this. I know you've had to wait a bit of a time to get into this because we are only taking users in small batches to ensure high quality. Right? We want to ensure really good quality. We are only taking users in small numbers. So that's why you had to wait. I'm sorry for that as well. But now, if you're interested, once you join, we would try the best of our efforts to give you an amazing, absolutely amazing experience. Right? So thank you very much for attending. See you on the other side. This is Sharik Shamsuddin signing off. Bye-bye.